In this video, we're going to explain the ceramic coating services offered at Wagstaff Auto Detailing. True ceramic coating is a long-term nanoscopic exterior automotive paint treatment and protectant that is applied in liquid form and cures to form a hard layer on top of the paint. Essentially, it's the candy shell that protects the paint's delicious chocolate center. What is ceramic coating made from? Ceramic coating is typically composed of silicon dioxide, silica SiO2, which is sourced from natural materials such as quartz and sand. When applied to a car's paint, the two create a chemical bond with hydrophobic, aka water repellent properties. Ceramic coating protects a car's paint from blemishes and damages while keeping it cleaner for longer. After application, it also makes follow-up car washes easier and shields the car from harmful UV rays. Ceramic coating creates intense water beading and dirt runoff and gives a car an extremely glossy shine. When should I use ceramic coating? Ceramic coating should be applied once your car is in tip-top shape after a car wash. We are sure not to leave any contaminants, dirt, or oily films on the car, as the ceramic coating will not be able to properly seal. Levels of ceramic coating. How much money a person is willing to spend will determine the quality of the product he or she buys.